the sickness there ahead of me went beyond the bed's infamy of a decade gone before. I reminded myself of the words you said. We were getting on, and I bet you're making shells back home for a steady man to wear round his neck while I wanted to think of you, as if you're waiting for this letter to arrive, because I'll be here quite a while.